In this box is my Gobi roof rack, which I've been waiting 6 weeks to arrive. So in this video, we're gonna do a full unboxing, review everything that's in it, and install it on the Jeep. Stay tuned. So this is the Gobi Wrangler rack for the Jeep TJ. I've got the optional elevation crossbars, and I got it whenever they had a promo where you get both sides ladders. So I have the driver and passenger side ladders. It also comes with this backpack. Alright, I set a lot of the parts out here. I backed the Jeep up. Now I need to read some of the directions and we can start to get this thing on the Jeep. So far I've just taken the bumper end caps off, the plastic caps off, and hit the bumper bolts with some PB blaster because I need to take out the bottom bolt, and this piece is going to go on to the frame. Alright, so now I did the passenger side. The driver's side should be much easier. You just got to take off this bottom bolt. After that nut is out, you can grab this piece here, which goes like this, and it has a pinch plate which goes on either side of the frame. So this will go behind the frame, this goes on this side of the frame, and this hole goes back to there. Then you tighten it all down, and then you add the tower, which I'll do next. So with that all tightened down, this tower bar has this aluminum pinch plate which goes up here onto this body seam where there's a little piece of metal that sticks out, and you reach up here and this gap goes right where that seam is, and then this goes up there, pinches it, and then tightens down about like that, and then the rack goes here. So after the tower piece is all tight, this is a brace piece which goes between the two pieces that we just installed, just like that. And then you tighten all that down, and then it's ready to move on to the actual rack part. So the next step is taking these 3 bolts out of the windshield, and then you can put on the crossbar that goes up here, which you'll need a friend to do so. Where those holes are, and I got the bolts there. Start oh, look at that fit. Just pulling it right off. The next step is lifting the actual rack up there, attaching it to the front bar, and then putting the 2 sidebars on to put it all together. We're getting there. We'll be able to just rest it up there. Just like that. I got the bolts up here. Just hand tight. Sweet. Look at that. It's almost done. Once the top is on, you can put the sides on, which is where I'm at now. There we go. Looks better. So yesterday it got dark on me when I was installing it. I got everything installed except for the ladders. So the ladders go on each side because I bought it when they had the promo where you get both ladders. And you can see here it has like the Gobi nameplate there. And it goes just like this on each side. And then that'll be the complete look besides the cross rails, which I might not install because they're pretty wide, but we'll see. And then it'll be done and I'll get a full after shot. Should be cool. So this is it fully installed, and I was just about to do the other side, not record it, but do the other side. And I opened the hardware pack, and all of these small nuts are missing. The only nut is the big one that comes in, that goes there. They don't have any of the other nuts. So I won't be able to install the other ladder. If that was my only ladder, I'd be very upset. Kind of sucks when you have a promo for 2 ladders and they send it without the hardware. So I guess I won't be able to install the other ladder. Sucky, sucky. I guess I'll just contact customer support, see if I can get some nuts, and then I'll install the ladder. I guess I can't really complain. I was only supposed to get 1 ladder anyway, except for that promo. So that's it. Everything's installed. Let's do a little walk around. Here's a full daytime view. So the Ranger rack is this taller front piece here. They also have the Stealth rack, which makes it lower like that. But I figured go big or go home, so I went with the Ranger rack. Obviously I need some lights now. And then you see the wind fairing there. Overall, everything is extremely high quality. The finish is super high quality. It seems very sturdy. Also, everything fit together perfectly. There's no, I didn't have to drill any extra holes. It fit just like it should. I did have a small problem down here. One of these, when I tighten it from the back, this is spinning, and it should be locked in right here, but it's spinning. So I couldn't get it completely tight, which isn't the end of the world. It's still like tight on here. It's just not completely flush against this, and that's kind of annoying. If you enjoyed the install and unboxing, please leave a like and subscribe. I got lights on the way already, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you for watching. Peace.